Hello, today you're looking at a Jessup 15 station automatic barrel line brought to you by Lanco. Unit comes with two Jessup fully automatic hoists. We'll take a look at those up close here in a second. It does have the PLC controls on the control panels down there. We'll look at those as well. First, I want to come down here and show you the inline load conveyors. Also the Jessup drum dryer in the back. Has the control panel there as well. Everything is fully operational. Last time we took it out of service. If you come back to the line, you'll see the two Jessup hoists on the end. And again, we'll walk around the other side so you can see it. Has 7 18 by 36 inch barrels. There is one of them. Here is the load unload station. And more barrels are inside the tanks as we go. Unit has 3 single station tanks. This is a double station. The single station tanks are 29 inches direction of travel, 54 inches front to back, and 30 inches deep. All of the tanks do come with the gear drives and the motors here. Take a look, 2 more tanks. Saddles are in very good condition. There are 2 single station tanks that are 36 inch direction of travel, 51 inches front to back, and 30 inches deep. Here's another 2 station here. There are 4 2 station tanks. These are 30 inches direction of travel by 54 by 30 deep each section. Here's a single station tank with a counterflow rinse. Again, it has the gear drive there for the barrels. Single station tank with the saddle. Very nice. Does come with a fume hood here as well. You can use it, or you can use a different one that you might have there at your facility. Counterflow rinse on this one as well. 2 more of the barrels in the double station tank. Barrels are 18 by 36 inside dimensions. Another 2 station tank with the counterflow rinse on the left. Single station counterflow rinse on the right. And the final single station with the counterflow rinse. Here are the 2 Jessup controls that come with it. This one and that one. Take a look inside both. Unit is wired for 480 volt. Actually, very nice condition on the inside of these as well. Over to this one here. Looks like this was doing the motors for the barrels. Back around to the other side, there's 2 process technology temperature controls, it looks like, on these 2 tanks here. Not sure if they work or not. Better look down inside the tanks. Very sound structurally. Very nice conditioned. Barrels are in excellent condition, as are the superstructures on top. All of the tanks come with a support band in the middle to prevent bowing. Drains at the bottom, as you can see. Can the load, unload, dump the parts from the barrel into the chute. And here are the two hoists. One of them has a refurbished gear drive motor there that we had fixed up. That's why it's not located on the hoists themselves. They are half-ton capacity hoists from Jessup. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.